Adobe Creative Cloud Student 101, Adobe Creative Cloud Student Australia. What it is Adobe Creative Cloud for Students, SCC, is a discounted subscription plan that provides access to the entire suite of Adobe Creative applications, including popular tools like Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, After Effects, and many more. It's designed for students enrolled in accredited universities, colleges, or qualified K-12 institutions. Features over 20 creative apps gain access to the latest versions of industry standard design, photography, video editing, animation, and UX tools. Always up to date. Receive continuous updates and new features as soon as they're released by Adobe. Cloud storage and collaboration. Store your files in the cloud with 100 GB of storage, varies depending on the plan, and collaborate with classmates or colleagues. Adobe Fonts and Portfolio. Access a vast library of fonts and create a professional online portfolio to showcase your work. Mobile apps. Work to some Creative Cloud mobile apps for further flexibility. Cons. Subscription-based. Requires a monthly or annual commitment, unlike purchasing perpetual licenses. Limited eligibility. Restricted to verified students and educators. Not all features included. Some specialized enterprise features might not be available in the student edition. Requirements. Valid student ID or verification. Proof of enrollment in a qualified educational institution is required. Verification methods may vary. High-speed internet connection. Essential for downloading and installing applications, accessing cloud storage, and collaborating effectively. Operating system. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for the Creative Cloud applications you plan to use. Check Adobe's website for details. Pro tips for getting started. Explore the software. Take advantage of free tutorials and resources offered by Adobe to learn the basics of each application. Start with a project. Choose a creative project that interests you and use the relevant Creative Cloud tools to bring it to life. Find online communities. Many online forums and communities cater to students using Adobe Creative Cloud. Participate in discussions and learn from others. Experiment and have fun. Don't be afraid to experiment with different tools and techniques. The best way to learn is by doing. Alternatives. Free open source software. GIMP, image editing, Inkscape, vector graphics, DaVinci Resolve, video editing, Blender, 3D animation, are free alternatives with robust capabilities. However, they might have steeper learning curves and lack some features of professional software. Limited free trials. Some commercial creative suites offer limited free trials that allow you to test their features before committing. In conclusion, Adobe Creative Cloud for Students provides a comprehensive suite of professional design tools at a discounted rate. If you're a student pursuing creative fields like graphic design, animation, or filmmaking, SCC can be a valuable investment. However, consider the free alternatives or limited free trials of commercial suites to see if they meet your needs before committing to a subscription.